Welcome to the vlog, everybody. I have mentally committed to posting a weekly vlog. Hopefully I stick to it. But today is Friday and I am currently, I've fed my cats and I have to watch them eat so they don't try to eat each other's food because they're freaking children. But I'm then gonna get ready to go to the block. I'm starving, so I think I'm gonna pig out over there because I am so hungry. I had a skimp lunch. How do you feel about being in the lead? How do you feel about being in the lead?
Fucking bad.
I saved us from paying the bill by 3 points.
Yeah, it's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with the splash gun so I cool down. Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down. Baby, let me buy you a drink while we're dancing a blink. I could go for some Queen Bee too. Macy's going boom boom. If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over. We can take.
Good morning. It's Saturday and holy crap, I'm hungry. So I am making huevos con chorizo in a sandwich, torta, molillo, whatever you want to call it. This is the chorizo I'm cooking up right now, and I should turn that off. Got some eggs. We have the bread. We have the, I'm also gonna make myself some beans. Refried beans. I freaking love refried beans. What else do we have? Oh, we have the mayo. Okay, anytime you're making like Mexican or Hispanic food, you need to use this mayo. It's just not the same with the regular mayo. Those of you who use this, y'all understand me. And then I have some sour cream somewhere in there, and queso fresco, which I'll probably take out. Sorry, Jessica. I'll buy you a new orange juice. My queso fresco. Queso fresco. Come on, man. Check.
Boy James Window.
Look out, here she comes. The woman that I love.
And now I had just finished filming a video and I'm about to have a little snack. Look how glorious this is. There's no other way to eat mango and sticky rice than with freaking chopsticks. My mango is sliding everywhere. Fuck. Today is to do, oh my god, look at this, hold on. We have knocked out. Look at Fendi. Oh shit, I just woke him up. Why is she sleeping like that? Why does she look so awkward? And Jinx is wide awake with me. Always hoping that I somehow give him some food. But ain't gonna happen, but oh. Jinxie, you want a little rubby? You want a bitty rub? I'm convinced that this boy thinks he's a dog. Like, what cat actually enjoys belly rubs? Mama's got to get to cleaning. Oh, there's Fendi. Why ain't you paying attention to me? I am off to pick up my grandmother from work. I just feel bad that she has to walk and take the bus and then the metro and then walk to the bus stop in this heat, and I'm not doing anything right now, so I am going to scoop her up.
What you think?
Shit, my hot dog keeps falling out. I'm gonna try and finish this.
What you think?
Sitting in a crowded place. Don't know what you're saying. Sad expression on your face, but I don't know what you're saying. I don't know.
So we are finally home after a long weekend, as you guys saw. It's
Long
one-
ass fucking weekend.
We're so tired.
So tired.
But we're so proud of this spread that we made. Look how yum.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I said we.
You did not make anything.
I cut the avocados and tomatoes.
Wait, you said we made what?
This spread.
Oh, I thought you said this
Oh,
bread.
no, it's not bread. Do you want to explain to them what it is?
It's a chicharrón. It's a Mexican chicharrón.
Care to elaborate?
Google it, man. Or put a picture right here.
Oh yeah. Oh wait.
Put a picture right here. This is chicharrón.
We're so excited. Ah, Jinxie, get down.
Of course it's
Oh no, that's Klaus. Get down. So basically it's chicharrón, which is pork, and then we have some avocados. Let me show you. Then we have avocados, tomatoes, pork, pickled pork skin.
pickled pork skin.
Yeah. And then usually they do cabbage, but we didn't get cabbage, so we're settling with lettuce.
Yep.
But we're so excited to eat.
Gay shit.
We hungry.